goal is to be always in the front.
I still believe I can be with the top 5 guys.
The bike was going good already from the beginning.
There is no better feeling than riding this bike. I'm racing for so many years. I still love racing. I love the feeling to be on the bike, and it's you and the bike.
I have a really good feeling also with all the team now, with the bike, and everything is going really well coming into this new season.
After the season we got a new engine, and I think they did a fantastic job about this because it feels really good. Also in combination, you know, with the chassis, the suspension, everything is working together. Also the power, we have a lot of power. It's possible to use this power, and I think this is very important, and they manage it. So I'm very happy with the bike on the moment.
We make a really big steps also now here in Sardinia. So yeah, right now the base is really, really good, and we are ready to go racing.
You know, the motivation now is again really high, because you always need something, you know, like we improved the bike quite a bit, and I'm feeling a lot more myself now. I still have the fire in me, and I believe I can still win on a good day, and yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to.